2017 Chevy Colorado front hub and bearing replacement. Let's start by removing the brake caliper within the screw. Let's put the screwdriver in to jam it. Right? Is it teeth ready? Alright, put it loose. Here it is. Is it teeth ready, by the way? And let's start by next step is to remove the caliper. It is held by 18 mil back here. Two of them, 280 millimeter. So I took the caliper off. It's held by 280 mil. It's just hanging right now with a bungee cord. Let's remove the brake roller. Now we're gonna remove the axle nut. It is a 36 millimeter. Before we do that, let's clean it up with a wire brush like this to remove the dirt and debris from it. It's really good. Last thing you want is this thing to be cross-threaded. Let's spray some penetrating fluid in there so it can come out with ease. Alright, let's take our axle nut off. Yep, it's loose. After you remove the nut, remove now the washer, retrieve it with a magnet like this. There it is. This is very loose. The axle is seasoned here, so let's put some penetrating fluid once again so it can come out with ease. And we're gonna use a punch, put in the middle of it with a hammer so we can get it out. Use a punch like this, you put it in the middle and you hit the tip of it with a hammer and you can get it free from the hub. That one is free right now. Now let's remove the wheel bearing bolt. Before we do that, we're gonna spray some penetrating fluid in there. It is held by 430 mil, by the way. Good. Good. It's held by 430 mil. I already have my ratchet in there. I would suggest that you break those bolts free first with a long ratchet and watch it in the mount, because it will be very hard to get a socket because of the CV axle on the way. I'm using a ratchet and wrench right now to get them off. It's a 30 mil, by the way. For the one at the bottom, I'm using an opening wrench so I can get it. That's the last one. So I got all 4 bolts loose. I can't take them out, by the way, because of the CV axle on the way once again. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hammer this hub out with a hammer like this. Then we'll hit it back and forth on this side. Alright, pull it off. Is this loose now? That one wasn't too tight. Yeah. Here it is. That was the problem actually. That's where the speed sensor reading the speed of the vehicle. That one's broken, and it keeps throwing ABS lights on, right? So that was the problem all along. Let's clean this up real good. So that the new one can go in pretty easy. I clean it real good with the wire brush and brake cleaner. Alright, so we're about to put the new one in. Here is the part number for the new one. Alright, this is the new one. Make sure you put your backing plate on before you put the bearing in. So let's re-pull it in. There you go. Good. Alright guys, the bearing is in. All four 20 mil is bolted to the hub and bearing. Now we're gonna put this in, the CV axle nut. Wait guys, you need to replace the CV axle nut. It's one-time use because they are torque to yield. I got the new one in right now. I'm about to torque it down. GM want you to have somebody hold the brakes, and while somebody's holding it, you torque it down. The torque spec is 185 foot-pound. Right, here it is. Do not use it. It's a torque 200 and the torque spec is 185 pound. All right, okay, it is torque and here the click. All right, it's torque to spec now. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. All right.